PowerPoint training. How can you deliver an effective PowerPoint presentation? Now, PowerPoint has been with us since 1980. Unfortunately, it hasn't made most presentations better. Here at Media Training Worldwide, we teach you how to deliver PowerPoint presentations so you don't actually put everybody to sleep. You won't be using your PowerPoint as your script. You won't just be putting bullet points and numbers. You'll be giving a great presentation, first and foremost. Your PowerPoint presentation will be there as an enhancement, as an aid, not to you, but to your audience. Saying PowerPoint is bad is like saying all TVs or movies are bad. No. Some TV shows are bad, some are good. Some movies are bad, some are good. A PowerPoint presentation can be great if you know the fundamentals of speaking in a captivating way, narrowing your messages to just a handful, having an interesting story, anecdote to flesh out every single point, and then using the slides to bring an idea alive for your audience. If you're ready to become not just competent, not just comfortable, not just good, but great at delivering effective PowerPoints, then let us know. We have a program for you.